In this video, I'll be discussing one of the best skin moisturizers. I'll be sharing its recipe. You can make this remedy at home, and it's a proven formula, meaning it's been used for a long time. Its chemistry, its chemical composition is similar to the skin's own oil. The oil that is produced on the skin is called sebum. The sebaceous glands produce this oil, and this remedy doesn't make the skin oily. It absorbs very well, leaves it soft, and gives it a healthy glow. Now, try this first. Let's understand a little. The skin is the largest organ of our body, and when something is applied to the skin, it goes directly into the body, through the liver, and becomes a part of it. It is very surprising how people apply various types of chemical lotions, artificial makeup products, and many other things to the skin without realizing it. It cleans the skin, disinfects it, which increases its sensitivity, itching, and redness of the skin. It becomes even drier. And because of this dryness, the body then signals the need for more oil. The sebaceous glands become active, produce more oil, which clogs pores and causes acne, and also increases the risk of infection. Sterilization kills the friendly bacteria on the skin that prevent infection and protect the skin. Therefore, it is very important to understand that you should avoid applying any toxic compounds or synthetic chemicals to your skin, as they can damage your skin, and on the other hand, can also harm your skin. On the other hand, pollution, dust, environmental humidity, UV radiation from the sun, UV radiation directly damages skin cells. And more important than that is diet. What do you eat? What do you drink? Is your diet high in trans fats? Because whatever is eaten becomes part of the body and has a direct impact on the skin. Some people go on a low-fat diet. See, healthy fats are very important for healthy skin. Skin is made of protein and fat. And often those who diet completely eliminate fat from their diet. Even on a low-carb diet, they are only taking protein. They are not eating fat at all. Or those who are only eating plant protein. They are getting their protein from soy protein isolate, soybean plant sources. They're not eating animal protein at all. That is why wrinkles appear on their skin early. The skin ages because you're not getting enough collagen in it. The protein profile is incomplete. Omega-3 is missing, which is essential for skin health. It is very important for health, and not only the skin, but also the hair withers. Overall, the aging process increases. Then, if you are fond of eating junk food, ultra-processed foods, then artificial corn sugar is added to them. MSG is added, which is called sugar salt. Artificial cornstarch is added. Then all these things are fried in oil and eaten. Refined cooking oils, seed oils are used in them, which are unstable. They cause oxidation in the body. These oils cause inflammation in the blood vessels, inflammation in the tissues, and in the organs of the body, including the skin. This is the largest organ of the body, so these oils enter the cell membranes and stay there for 2 to 3 years. These oils have more omega-6. Omega-3 is less. And which oils have more omega-3? Fish oil, flaxseed oil, chia seed oil, sesame oil, walnut oil. All these oils are high in omega-3. So these are the healthy options available to you. Cooking oils available in the market are highly processed oils. Due to this processing, the omega-3 content in them decreases. And you will be surprised to know that omega-6 is also being added to many moisturizing creams. So when you apply them directly to your skin, it causes further damaged skin. It dries out quickly, wrinkles appear. So the use of cooking oils has increased by 1,600% in the last 100 years. In fact, their use has doubled in the last 20 years. I would say that you should go on an oil detox for 30 days. Eliminate oil from your diet just to see if there are any health benefits. There are a lot of changes in the body, and it's a short period of time. A month is not much. Now, what is this thing that needs to be applied to the skin? It's beef tallow. Tallow is a Latin word. In Latin, it means sebum. Sebum is the oil that our body produces. The oil that appears on the skin, it comes from the sebaceous glands. And this type of fat does not oxidize the skin. It does not cause inflammation. It contains vitamin A, vitamin D, E, K, and CLA. And CLA retains moisture in the skin. It does not let it dry out. So this beef tallow looks like coconut oil, but it is different from coconut oil. It does not make the skin greasy and oily. It softens the skin. It gives a healthy glow. And it also contains several nutrients that help remove dark spots on the skin. Apart from this, it prevents wrinkles. The fat present in it is 50% saturated fat. It contains oleic acid. It is a very good moisturizer. It contains palmitic acid, which softens the skin. It contains stearic acid, which heals the skin. It also contains linoleic acid, which is actually an omega-6. However, it is only 2%, meaning it is in small amounts. The method of making it is very simple. Take half a cup of beef tallow and 2 tablespoons of almond oil or olive oil. These 2 ingredients are enough. This mixture will not have any smell. If you want, you can add rosemary oil for fragrance, which is optional. The scent is not that important. It has no smell of its own. Do not make it in large quantities. Use enough and then remix it. So mix it all well. If you have an electric mixer, this process will be a little easier, but it can also be made by hand. There comes a stage in mixing it in which it takes the form of a balm. So you need it in this consistency. Again, the main ingredient is beef tallow, which you can get from any local butcher shop. With the beef tallow, you will first need to render the fat. You can easily find this process on the internet. There are many videos available, so start using this balm on your skin regularly instead of other chemical moisturizers, and you will see a big difference. It is chemical-free, it is completely natural, and it is an old recipe. People used to use it in the past, but they don't anymore because someone introduced the idea that saturated fats are bad for the body. This is not true. The amount of unsaturated fats that we consume and the poor quality of these fats are bad for health. Now, if you understand these 2 things, make a combination. Eliminate omega-6 fats from your diet and start using tallow on your skin, and you will see a significant difference in just a few weeks. Do try it out and share your experience in the comments section. Subscribe for more videos.